Hello everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time.
Let's continue our work. Actually, we are going on to another game today. So let's quickly check the last one the last game we made previously. So it was lesson 58, card flipping game 5. So yeah, let's open it and check the how it runs. Okay, so open. I think it was like 56 or 7. Okay, move it here and let's run it. So yeah, it measures time and let's see. What we want to do is we want to flip the card in the order of the card on the reverse side. Okay, number 1, number 2, 3 is where? I think we should try to remember where the correct number is. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're done. So we did in 30 seconds with 19 clicks. So I did 10 extra clicks. Okay, so fine. Okay, good. What was the homework? Yeah, try another board side. So maybe we can try by changing NN 3 to 4, which makes the game to 16, 4 by 4. Okay, let's run it and check that it is far more difficult than it is. So let's take a look at the cheat card. 1, 2, 3. Where's 4? 4 should be here. 4, 5. I'm looking at this sheet. 7. Ooh, it really takes time, so maybe we can skip it. But 8. 9 should be 8 here. 10 is here. Oh, 11 is like here. 12. I don't know. 13. 14. And 15 and 16. We did it. Good. Uh, fine. Okay. I hope you will enjoy it or improve yourself by adding some techniques such as writing this message in the message area below the grid. Okay, let's move on to today's work. So we're going on to next game, which is whack-a-mole. I hope you know it. It's kind of a yeah, try to hit a mole which appears at random position. Okay, so let us make a whack-a-mole game played with keys. So where shall we start? We start from our card flipping game, which is previously made in lesson 54, I guess. Which, yeah, the the one we were dealing with was card flipping game with mouse. So we go back to the keyboard version. Okay, so let's open the previous one, which is, I guess, say E54. Okay. Okay, so this has keyboard control here. So let's open it. Let's try to start from here by say save as what is the lesson name 59. So E59 mole. Okay, mole back. Okay, let's try to do it. In the meantime, let's see how the game looks like. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so try to move the okay, face up card by keyboards. Okay, so what shall we do first? A mole appears at a random position. Okay, So we'll maybe um, delete some of unnecessary um, elements like card. Okay, we don't need this, and we would need this. Okay, so maybe and we need the line drawing. So let's start from here. So we start by, as the slide says, a mole appears at a random position, self mx and self my maybe. Okay, so let's do that by say, okay, so maybe we'll start by initializing um, self mx equals random dot rand int starting from 0 to nn. Okay, and the same for y. And okay, sorry, um, copy it and paste it here. Good. So and then change this to y. And let's anyway draw it. We don't need card related things. Okay, anyway, let's draw, yeah, let's draw mole, which is in position of, say, pixel circle, circ, the position of self mx, sorry, mx, and plus bb, now times ss plus bb, and self my times ss plus bb. Let's see how it looks like. The the radius should be, say, ss times divided by the half of ss, and mole color is like 4. Okay, let's see how it looks like. In the meantime, we don't need this, and we don't need this. Okay, let's see how it looks like. The 2 lines here. Okay. Oh, up. Okay, let's see it. There should be some. Okay, good. So, good. So there's a mole here, and maybe we want to whack it by moving it. So mole, the center of the circle should be in the cell, not on the grid. So we should move it a little shifted position. So let's see. Let's use the constant value as half of ss as s2, which is half of ss, and add it by s2 for x position and s2 for y position, and us2 here instead of, yeah. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, good. Okay, good. So what we can do is move it. Good. Let's see the slide. So a mole appears at a random position, and we try to whack it by moving the square. Good. It seems we are working pretty good. Maybe we can do, instead of, maybe let's see a variation. Let's try to see if rect B, which is for, I think it was rect B, which is, okay. The bad news is that circle is somewhere wrong. So maybe this is wrong. Maybe -1, -1. Okay, that's right. Okay, so I think this is good. Yeah, right. 0 to n and n -1. Okay, good. So let's see. Okay, is this good enough? Okay, good. So what's next? When you whack it, another mole appears randomly. Okay, so I think you can do it. Good. So basically, it's simple. Stop the video and try it. So this is how you can decide. You can decide a new position for the mole. So maybe we can copy this. And when you hit it, meaning that, okay, here. Okay, so we do the decision if self px equals self. So if the person's position or the wacker's position is the same as mole, ey equals, equals self my. Then, yeah, we did it. So maybe we can paste it here. Good enough? Let's see it. Okay, so we move this. Okay, good. Oh, perfect. It's so easy to make a mole walking game. Good. Maybe B is not so good. It's really your taste. We can make it like this. So okay. So let's move it. Good. Good. So which do you like better? Or you can change the color if you want. Okay, what's next? It's almost done. Display the score. Sorry, score. I've got E here. Okay, so it's a homework. That's all for today. Please try to give point when you hit this mole, and maybe you want to print it somewhere. Okay, it's easy, right? Anyway, the basic structure is done. It was so easy by reusing previous code. Oh, sorry. No. This is not what we want. This is what we want. Okay. Okay, good. Interesting. So try to give scores for one whack. Okay. Hope you like it. Come back next time and let's check the homework. Okay. See you again.